Hey guys, Harsh here, back in video. So today I'm unboxing the American version of the Mini GT series. So today I have the BMW M3 and this is in the Gulf livery. So I don't know what it is about Gulf livery, but I really like them. That's why I bought this in the first place, and I didn't know that this was a USA exclusive, and you can tell that by because it is in sort of a Hot Wheels type packaging, but you still get the box, so that's pretty nice. And this is also a limited edition, but don't know how many cars were produced, but still we'll unbox it and see how it is. And here you can see it is a licensed BMW product and the TSM logo as well, also a Gulf licensed product as well, because obviously this is in the Gulf livery. So today I'm using scissors to unbox this, and I have no idea how to unbox it, but I'm sure many of you guys might disagree with this, but whatever. So here's the car, as you can see, pretty nice. And let's just quickly take out the box as well and see what's inside, if anything. Okay, so you still get the normal blister packing like always, so you can just, if you want to store your car, you can just place it in and slide it into the box, but I think I'll keep it out for now for the review. So here's the close-up look, and as you can see, the Gulf really pops out and gives a very nice look to the car. So if you start with the front, we can see we have the old style BMW vents going on over here, which is their signature style, and I quite really like these vents, but right now what they have done is just make those vents wider and taller. So let me just see if I have the car. So yeah, here's the M4, I think. Yes, so if you look at these type of vent, then they are just enormous, but still. So let's start with the front. We can see we have the headlights quite nicely detailed. These are plastic insert, not just sticker placed in. So this is the one thing these premium models do, so that they can add more detail to the car and make it more expensive. And on the top, on the hood, we can see we have the BMW logo, Gulf logo, and the number 10. We have also the BF Goodrich logo. I don't know what that company does or what it is, maybe that's the sponsor. And on the fender we can see we have a Gulf logo along with the checkered flag and another Goodrich logo quite nicely visible. Now this is a free rolling car, so as you can see, wheels do move quite nicely even though they are pretty close to the car body itself. And if I place it on the surface, I think this will roll perfectly. Yes, it does. So this is the one thing that I really like about Mini GT. Their cars do roll, but for example, let's say tarmac works, they sometimes roll and sometimes they don't, so maybe they can improve there a bit. Now if we move to the sides, we can see we have the nicely painted Gulf logo as well, another one also on the other side. And I don't think you will be able to see the interior, but let me just try to show you. Yeah, I think it will not be visible. So it is quite detailed as well, you know, with the seats and steering wheel and dashboard and all that, but it is not painted at all, so maybe that's something you can do on your own. And then if you look, we can see we have the mirrors, and I think these are, yes, these are metal. So Mini GT, they always put rubber mirrors, and for special cars like the McLarens and other did, they put metal mirrors. So this is the just a simple flat mirror and no reflective paint or silver paint type thing is done over here. So that's another thing that they can improve in the future models, which I believe is only available on the premium version, but still for the price, this is a quite nice model. Then on the roof we can see we have the stripe following all the way to the back. This is pretty nice as well. Honestly, I like the double stripe version and slightly offset one, but the middle single stripe is also quite nice. Then if we move to the back, we can see we have the Gulf license plate along with the BMW logo quite nicely visible, and also here the BMW M Sport logo as well. And here the headlights, I think, are the most detailed part of this car, because I quite really like them. These are plastic painted inserts placed onto the grooves cut out, and this is by far the most detailed light I think I have ever seen in a Mini GT model, so that's pretty nice as well. And along with here we have the, if we look at the underneath of the car, we can see we have the full drivetrain mold cut out, which is quite nice to see. I mean, Mini GT usually what they do is just basically do a flat base on the bottom and write their logos and country of origin there, but I think this looks quite nice as well. And you can see that here is the exhaust, and usually what they do is just don't paint the exhaust pipe in silver color, which is another thing I look in the model cars. So in this case it is not painted silver, so there is another sort of improvement there that they can do. And but all in all, a pretty nice model to have, along with the box as well, so you can just place it in your box and store it safely away, because this type of packaging is not good for storage, but it is good if you are just leaving it in a package. But I like to keep them out, so hopefully I will do a showcase review of my cars as well. So until then guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have any comments regarding this video, you can comment down below, and I will see you all next time.